Today we're going to talk about a lab where we will be measuring the vapor pressure of ethanol and then subsequently calculating the heat of vaporization by graphing, as we learned before, the natural log of vapor pressure versus 1 over temperature in Kelvin, and knowing that the slope of that line is going to equal negative heat of vaporization over R. So in order to do this, we need to have a way to gather information about the temperature and vapor pressure of ethanol. So how we're going to do that is with the setup that you see on the bottom of this page. In the setup, you're going to have ethanol inside this piston. It'll be a small amount, just a few milliliters. And then inside this flask originally, you're going to have air, and you're going to be measuring the temperature. So you've measured the temperature of the air, and now you know what pressure of the air is inside the flask. Then you're going to squirt the ethanol into the flask, and you're going to have a bunch of ethanol sitting in the bottom. And that ethanol has a vapor pressure. So you can now realize that you'll measure the total. And when you measure the total pressure, all you have to do is subtract the air to get the ethanol. Now what you're going to do is you're going to add hot water. So you're going to add hot water into the beaker, and that's going to make the temperature go up. Now as the temperature goes up, so will the vapor pressure of the ethanol go up as well. So the vapor pressure of the ethanol will go up because more of it will evaporate. However, the air pressure will also go up because remember, when you heat up a gas, its pressure will increase. So now what you're going to have to do is a two-condition problem for the air. P1 over T1 equals P2 over T2, where the original P1 T1 came from the beginning of the experiment, and then this is going to be the new temperature after you add in some hot water, and then you're going to find the new partial pressure of the air inside the flask. And when you have the new partial pressure of the air, then you're going to subtract that. All right, this is the new. And then you're going to find the vapor pressure of the ethanol. So you're going to do that for several trials until you gather. So what you're going to do next is you're going to go to the 4th page of the notes,